Hey YouTube, I wanted to make a more elaborate video on this Erin Condren planner, and I just wanted to unbox it with you guys and yeah, give some good thoughts. So as you guys probably know, the planner comes in this box here, like in these floral boxes, and I received the purple one. So you just open it up. I'm gonna flip it on this side, and she encloses some like sample stickers. Well, these aren't stickers, these are like, well, no, they are stickers that you could probably put on like a package, and it just says enjoy to and from. And then also she threw in this postcard, and it says you are entirely up to you. So I think she's just like, throwing that vibe out there, like, hey guys, like I, have planners, but I also have other things too. So that's nice of her. Then here's a sticker. I already ripped it because I was just like, oh my gosh, my planner is in. So you just open this up like so, and it's really legit because it has bubble wrap. And then this, I added a couple things into this because I wanted like as much like motivation and just like help inserts as possible. So I got the wellness log. It says energy flows where intention goes. So basically you just open it up, and this is all for like the body and working out. And as you can see, there's like little water symbols that you can draw in, like, oh, I did like half of my water today than I should. And then just, keep track: calories, cardio, carbs, protein, etc. So I think this is really gonna help me out. And then it just has like notes, legs, arms, hips, weight, chest, neck, BMI, weight. So yeah, I think this will definitely be beneficial. And then also I got this book right here for free. It says Turn Your Dreams into Plans, Designer Sticker Book Classic Collection Edition 3. And they were having this sale, like if you bought a life planner, then you got the sticker book. So more stickers. Yeah, and these stickers are really cute. Happy birthday, love, congrats, thank you, love this, you're the best. So this is really cute. And then there's this welcome pouch, or it's a plan for it pouch for stylish storage. And I feel like she just enclosed some more samples. So good vibes, things like that. Thanks, Erin. And then I also wanted to get this monthly bill insert. And the only thing that I don't really like about it, I didn't realize that it's dry erase. So I don't think I would want it to be dry erase, but I think it will still be beneficial. And then the actual planner, oh my gosh. So my name is Sarah, and I got it with my name on it. And it comes with a ruler. So that's nice. And I'm gonna take it out of the box, and I think I'm just gonna put it on my actual vanity. So let me do that. I'm just gonna throw this box on the floor. So here's the actual planner. And so I got the vertical layout. So here's what is this? This is a welcome. So it says, thanks for your first order. Enjoy these free gift labels. So that's nice. Thanks, Erin, again. Welcome. You know, she enclosed this note. Enjoy these free gift labels to simplify and stylize gift giving on the go. Cheers. Okay. So yeah, I got the vertical layout. This is my life on the go life planner. Just some more quotes. And then the year, the whole year is mentioned. Oh, so I was confused. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Oh, so this has 2017. So don't call it a dream, call it a plan. So you could probably just write some plans or some goals in these sections. And then it says, trust the magic of new beginnings. So it starts with January 2018. And then I'll show you what the vertical layout looks like. So just like that. And since I just got it, of course, like, you know, January's not done. I feel like I am going to go back and try to remember as much as I can about January, just for like, you know, a reminder if I wanted to look back. And then here's what February looks like. And March has this nice green color and so forth. And then, yeah, so I think, oh, I didn't even know it has more stickers in it. And then these color pages that you could do. Wow. And I guess, like, for those of you who know about the bullet journal, like that's such a big trend right now. This is probably like what these pages are. You could do anything with those. So yeah, like I'm really into this. And then it says chase your wildest dreams, like with these little folders. Let's see what this is. This is a calendar and contacts. So yeah, I probably won't use it for that, but yeah, this is nice. It has all the holidays on it. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this. I definitely feel like this will help me get my life together, and I just wanted to show you guys. And yeah, like maybe we could do like a plan with me day or whatever. So yeah, that's really all I have to say. I am really pleased. I do feel like this is pretty pricey. Would I buy this again? I probably won't know until like I actually use it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope we can be friends.